I don't know how to. I don't know how to make this sandwich. Shout out to Bird Window if you're watching. Shout out to Bird Window in Cebu, Philippines. Shout out.
Ito na lang ulit pa. Ha? Ito din sila Linlin. Naa. Siguro. Bye.
Isa na po. Unsa may sudlan atong spaghetti na katong kaldero dito no.
Kaldero?
Katong dito ba?
Ha? Ang kaldero nga.
Naman kuan dito oh.
Katong green? Ay, katuling mo ha?
Oh. Singan ata.
Diri, wala ko may lutang dito. Dahil sa ilawang kayo.
Naaradi ay. Bread. Sandwich bread. I am finished the one bag of loaf of bread.
Kasi ito.
One loaf of sliced bread. Shout out to all the mothers who are watching and picking up their kids. Shout out all the mothers. Shout out to all the mothers there picking up their kids. Shout out to all the dads working and getting off for works. Shout out to all. Shout out to all the nurses. Shout out to all the nurses, my nurses friends. Thank you everyone for watching. Live tayo in Cebu. Nagluto na si Jenny ay na mag-ano naman tayo one more. Okay.
Wala ko pa nang malisa.
Mana? Takisa na. Bread. Ay.
Isi naman naging buhok mo. Matanggal po, Angel. Matanggal ko well.
Oh well, jail. Shout out to all my foreigner friends. Nagluto na. I was gonna show you guys my niece cooking now. Frozen pa. Maupo na liha. Cooking spaghetti. There's a chef over here.
Ay, ito ba dito kay kuan?
Saan naman imong kuan din? This is her ingredients. And they have condensed milk ni for the sweetness of the spaghetti. Gamay ng spaghetti.